Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I will be discussing about the addendum letter which you will receive from Wipro post your offer letter. Also you will receive it after your green audit mail, or some of the students have received it before the green audit mail also. That is not the issue. So I will tell you the complete steps you will follow to accept and save this addendum letter. So before starting the video, don't skip the video, watch till end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then join the Telegram group. The link is in the description box, and let's start the video. So as you can see, this is the Wipro offer letter. So one thing guys, I will make it clear that this is this addendum letter is not your joining letter, or no joining date or no joining location will be mentioned in this addendum letter. It is just a confirmation letter. Also some of the points are there which I will show you. So that points are those points are the points which are not mentioned in your offer letter which you have received after your interview. So those points are mentioned here. So here many of the students are mentioning that why my joining date or joining location is not mentioned. So no, it will not be there. Okay, so let's start. So first thing, as you can see, please click on the below link to review and accept your addendum letter in desktop laptop. So this link is not valid through mobile phone. You have to use desktop or a laptop. The first thing you will do is just you have to click to complete this link. You have to click to complete. You have to click on that, and then Wipro career page will open. As you can see, this is the Wipro career page. Here you have to log in with your email and password. So just log in, and then just scroll down below. Here you can see amendment to appointment letter. So see, the appointment details are there. The date of appointment is effective from the date of joining unless otherwise communicated in writing by the company. Retirement age is 58 years. You may be transferred to any other location, department, function, establishment or branch of the company or subsidiary associate. So these are the points. We provide support to global customers. So, and then some notice period and terminations point are also there. No further modification, no waiver, counterparts, precedents. So you just read through these points. These are the points that will be mentioned in your amendment letter. What you have to do is just click on accept, and then you have to click this checkbox. This is the signature checkbox. Okay, and then after clicking on these two checkboxes, you have to click submit and print. Keep that in mind. This is a one-time link. Okay, so if you make any mistake or you're not able to do it, then keep that in mind that you won't be able to download the amendment letter again. Okay, so it is just a one-time link. So this addendum letter is important for you guys to before onboarding. So don't forget to download. So after this, after the clicking on these two check boxes, see it is marked as red color, accept signature. Then you have to enter Ctrl+P on your laptop keyboard or your desktop keyboard. Okay, so here I will show you. It is already mentioned here. See, Ctrl+P, Ctrl+P. So that only I will do. Ctrl+P I will click on. After clicking on Ctrl+P, like this, a box will open. Here you will see amendment to appointment letter. That only it is there, which you will get in a PDF format. Just see destination, save as PDF. So whatever destination you want in your laptop, just click on that and just click on save. After clicking on save, see here, I have already downloaded once, so I will show you once more. Like addendum, I will save in this name, and I will click on my download section. After clicking on that, it will get saved, and I will show you how the addendum letter looks like after it is saved. So this is saved. Okay, so now I will show you from my download section. So you can see that, see here it is already saved, and this is the addendum letter PDF. Okay, welcome to Wipro. Dear, your name will be there. Then today's date will be mentioned. And this amendment is pursuant to your appointment letter from Wipro Limited. The purpose of this letter is to amend two sections. One is appointment details and notice period and termination of your current appointment letter by removing the propagation period. So here is the letter. So read through this letter. You have see here. This is accept signature. Both I have done. And also this is my resume number. Your resume number will also be mentioned, and everything, every details is there. So this is how you will download the addendum letter. So many of the students were having confusion how to download it. I show you the complete process. Still, if you have any further query, feel free to drop out comment drop your queries in the comment section. I will definitely reply to all your comments. And I think this video was helpful to you. If you guys find it helpful, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video, guys. Bye.